What's up, guys? It's me, Silverstar, and today we are going to be playing the one and only Cuphead. Okay, so gotta connect this. Alright. I hate this room. Gotta press something. Well, looks like we can't play today. Yep, man. I like this. So, bye.